Oh, that excavator is stuck. Because of wrong operations, don't let this happen to you. LTMG 23-ton crawler excavator performs perfectly, and correct operating habits help save maintenance costs. First, no overloading. It kills the hydraulics and risks the machine's balance. Second, don't make sharp turns or hit the gas suddenly. Third, avoid long slope work. Uneven stress kills the chassis. Position is everything. Good equipment needs proper operation. Mastery is the soul of power. Choose LTMG. More than power, it's your partner in wealth. Contact us today.